What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Traxxas Maxxed and the Traxxas Maxxed. I want to run both these vehicles today because I just want to run them. We're gonna start off with the Max. I did some repairs on the Max and I want to check out to see if my work paid off. Now on the inside of the Max, we working with a this really is 6S ESC, but I'm still gonna run it on 4S. Nothing, no upgrades besides the wide body. Cause this was the V1, which I converted into the wide body Max. Got the wide body kit on, the wide body chassis, wide body arms. Not to mention I have extenders on there. I got the what is this, hot racing hubs on there. I had to take the extenders off, but it's the hubs on there still.
Ready.
Oh, something wrong with this controller. I can't really do one-handed with this. My finger, that like the controller's stuck. I don't know if I'm able to do one-handed. I might have to put it in my hat. This controller is sticking, delayed. Oh! Yo, let me throw this in my hat real quick. Be right there. Only thing about my hat right now is drooping all in my face. I can't really see. I'm mainly trying to see if my fix on it works. Oh, I totally missed that. I thought I could fly up on it blind. Let's see if I can pull it off. Ugh. I burnt out the factory motor because I was hammering on it hard. Perfect. Hammering on it hard with a 6S ESC in there. And I think I was a little too rough on it. Oh! And what we broke or lost came out. Yeah, the pin it broke off. It's not gonna last. Whoa, you go from smooth, you go from rocky, smooth to extra rocky. I did fix it. I just got to fix that pin in here. That's about it. This thing is a beast. Hot racing hubs on there. I gotta replace the screw, but I hate when the ground is real dusty, where I like doing sliding, but I'm trying to do a side with it. Not gonna happen. She's not gonna survive this, cause that pin it was, the screw broke off, so it's barely hanging on. You knew that was not gonna make that. The thing is about the X Max and the Max, I like both of those vehicles because of the drive, like how wiry they are. They're like, they got that aggressive, wild driving. It's like, yeah, it's like unpredictable sometimes. X-Max can handle the grass, like it's no problem for the X-Max. What's wrong with my steering, and why is it all the way over there? It's better on rough terrain like this more than the Max, because it's bigger, tires is bigger, got more push, ADAS. And I run this against the Outcast, ADAS Outcast. Man, those two rigs are fun as hell to drive. And for which one's the best one out of the group, I don't know. I mean, look at it. Give it some extra push. Extra power. Oh, I can't see that far.
Mission abort.
See, the thing is so big, I can't really hit it hard. Gotta kind of be gentle. Need a bigger ramp for this. Suspension is on point. Suspension is all the way on point. Here at the right angle. Yeah, I love how this thing moves, man. It's like wild looking. You cannot beat that. Perfect. Nice little off-road side, really. You know what I'm saying? Unpredictable. I wasn't trying to get no side, really. The grass is cut, but still it's gonna make the car hot. That's why y'all notice I'm not really doing too much of the grass. Man, that's my first flip besides that jump. This thing is a beast. Perfect. 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 Let's see if I can get it. Like I say, man, X-Maxx is a pure beast. Okay. Oh, what did I do? Did I break some teeth? Yeah, man. I was overdoing it, and I believe most likely I stripped out the gears, which I got some extra ones home. But that was my fault, playing around too much, punching it like that. Almost sound like just loosened up, but I'll see if I stripped it out. No big deal. As for the mini max, not the mini max, as the max, small max, yeah, this thing, both of them is durable as hell, man. Just gotta work on some things with the, you know, I want to change out the servo and all that good stuff. Whoa. But yeah, all in all, they're fun as hell, man. Just wanted to throw that video out there, nothing special. So, put this stuff up real quick. Hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.